Here are the 3.4 LED floodlights. These floodlights are able to be hooked up to your boat, car, off-road vehicle, tractor, whatever it may be, as long as it has 24 or 12 volts of supply power. As we can see, that it has ABS molding, so it's good against corrosion. It has ventilation. Here we see that the bracket's adjustable. We just tighten it to whatever liking. Here is the nut and bolt that you hook up to your vehicle. Here are the beads, the LED, of course, very light. We have positive and negative. Another thing I did want to mention that these are waterproof, so if you want to put them on an off-road vehicle and get muddy or whatever it may be, you could completely wash them off, so that's always a plus. So there you have it, the 3.4 LED floodlights. I will be installing this onto my off-road vehicle, but I just haven't made my mind up about where I'm gonna install it, so I will be hooking them up to alligator clips, supplying power, and showing you guys how bright they get. Here is what my room looks like with the lights on. This is the lights off, on, and this is off.